In this lecture, we will learn about using in operator in SQL statement. In previous lectures, we used and or operator where we evaluate single value with data rows. In some cases, we will have to evaluate multiple values to a single data row column value. And in operator is useful to create such SQL conditions. The in operator evaluates multiple values on a single data column. It displays the data rows if any one of the given value is matched with the data column value. If none of the value matches, SQL statement won't return that data row. The in operator is written as a word in followed by multiple values separated by comma inside brackets. This is the example showing use of in operator in the SQL statement. Select star from students where age inside bracket 5, 6. The values must be added in brackets and multiple values are separated by comma. Let's learn about in operator with some practical examples. Here I have logged in my MySQL database server using my root username and password. I'll select the school database and run a simple SQL statement to display all the records from students table. Select star from students. Now I will filter the data rows and display only the rows where the age value is either 5 or 6. The SQL statement will be select star from students where age in 5, 6 semicolon to terminate the SQL statement. When we run this SQL statement, the system evaluates if data row's age column value matches with the value provided in the brackets. If any one of the values in brackets is matched with the data row column value, the rows is displayed in the result set. I'll press enter to run the SQL statement. And you can see the system return data rows where age column is 5 and 6. I will select company database and run SQL statement to display all the records in employees table. Now I will filter the data rows using SQL statement to display only the data rows where the salary column values of my own choice. I'll modify the SQL statement. Select star from employees where salary in 3200, 3400. Complete the bracket semicolon to terminate the SQL statement. I'll press enter to execute the SQL statement. And sure enough, the system returned only the data rows where the salary column value matches to the values provided in the brackets. I will show you one more example with online shop database. Select the online shop database using SQL statement. Use online shop. First I will display all the records in items table. Select star from items. And now filter the data rows to display only the items with given price. I will modify the previously executed SQL statement. Press arrow to get the previously executed SQL statement and modify. Select star from items where price in, and I will provide the price 19, 25, 30, 99 semicolon to terminate the SQL statement. and in the result set we get only the products with the given price value.